Hello everyone! Apple has just unveiled a plethora of groundbreaking features for their Apple Watch platform, now dubbed watchOS 11. This announcement was made at the iconic WWDC event hosted at Apple's futuristic headquarters, often referred to as the spaceship. For those new to this, WWDC stands for Apple's Worldwide Developer Conference. This annual event showcases Apple's latest software innovations across all platforms: iPhone, iPad, Mac, and of course, Apple Watch. It's a sneak peek into what the tech giant has in store for the year ahead. Developers use this period to integrate and optimize their apps with these new features before the official hardware launch, typically around September. Excitingly, these updates aren't limited to the newest watches. Devices back to the Apple Watch Series 6 will also benefit. Training load and effort score. A key highlight is the training load feature, underpinned by the new effort score. After each workout, spanning 17 different types, your performance is analyzed based on pace, heart rate, age, height, weight, and elevation. Scores range from 1 to 10, reflecting the intensity of your workout. This data helps track your training load over time, comparing your 7-day average with a 28-day baseline. This user-friendly approach avoids overwhelming numbers, focusing on relative values to provide meaningful insights. Holistic workout analysis. Unlike other fitness trackers, Apple's system allows for manual adjustment of the effort score. This is particularly beneficial for activities like long hikes, where traditional metrics like heart rate might not fully capture the physical exertion involved. By tweaking the effort score, the training load reflects a more accurate picture of your overall effort. Vitals app. The new Vitals app tracks resting heart rate, breathing rate, skin temperature, blood oxygen, and sleep. This centralized hub, both on your watch and in the companion app, offers a comprehensive view of your health. Outliers in these metrics trigger notifications, prompting you to investigate potential causes such as poor sleep, stress, or other lifestyle factors. Custom route creation. watchOS 11 introduces the ability to create custom routes for activities like hiking directly from your phone, iPad, or Mac. These routes sync seamlessly to your watch, complete with offline maps for true independence from your phone. This feature is especially useful for adventurers exploring remote areas. National park routes. US only. In a significant boost for outdoor enthusiasts, Apple Maps now includes suggested routes in US national parks. These predefined trails can be pushed to your watch, making it easier to navigate and explore protected areas. Optimized workouts. You can now customize your fitness app dashboard, rearranging panels, and adding new widgets for a more personalized experience. This includes new metrics like running mileage, which can also appear as complications on your watch face. Swimming enhancements. Structured swimming workouts now display more detailed information, allowing for better tracking and performance analysis. Check-in feature. Building on the phone's check-in feature, your watch can now alert designated contacts if you failed to check in at predetermined times, enhancing safety during solo adventures. Photos app updates. The Photos app will now automatically select and stylize photos for your watch faces, ensuring a perfect fit for your screen. Translation widget. This new widget facilitates offline translations in 20 languages, making international travel easier. It supports voice translations and works within iMessage and SMS, even in remote areas with limited connectivity. Satellite messaging. For those venturing off the grid, satellite messaging now allows for basic communication via text, enhancing safety during long hikes or remote trips. With watchOS 11, Apple continues to push the boundaries of what a smartwatch can do, seamlessly integrating health, fitness, and everyday convenience. Stay tuned as I dive deeper into each feature, testing and comparing them to see how they stand up in real-world scenarios. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more in-depth reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.